Now in this part 3, I'll be talking about how to create your KDP account. So in the part 4, I will discuss how to download your Kindle Create app and how to format your book using Kindle Create. So you log into kdp.amazon.com. Now, what are some of the benefits of publishing your book? Number 1 is learning to write. Yes, Amazon gives you the privilege to learn how to write, and if you're a writer, to learn how to publish your book on their platform. Number 2 is Amazon makes your book global. Yes, everybody gets to see your content, your book. And number 3 is Amazon can make you a bestseller. I explained the concept of bestseller in the ebook given to you. You can also help other people publish their work. Yes, I have helped a lot of people publish their work on Amazon, and as long as you have gone through this training and you have done your exercise well, that means you'll be able to also teach other people how to publish their book on Amazon. Amazon will market for you. Yes, you don't need to run Facebook ads, although if you actually want to make a lot of sales and drive traffic to your page on Amazon, you just need to promote your page. I'll be discussing about that in this later section of this video. But Amazon will market for you. Yes, they will market your book for you. How to format your book? Download Kindle Create to your PC. I will be explaining how to use the app on the next video. Now, pricing your ebook. One thing people don't know is that people don't buy based on price. They buy based on value, and then they rationalize the price. Yes, for instance, you bought a shoe of 10,000. The price will not be the problem, but then after buying the shoe, you now begin to think, is this shoe worth the amount? That's what I'm trying to say here. So people don't actually buy your book based on the price alone. After paying for the book, they will not think, the price I paid for this book, was it okay? Did I got value that is worth that amount? Now, royalty will affect how you price your ebook. Yes, because if you price your book for $6.99, and if Amazon is taking $5 from there, that simply means you have $1.99 as your own money you'll be making. So royalties will affect how you price your book. Now, really, when it comes down to finding the best price for your ebook, experimentation will be okay. I will not tell you price your ebook for $3.99 or $4.99 or $2.99 or 99 cents. No, you need to practicalize it on your own. Carry out an experiment and see which one works better for you. How to receive payment. You may receive your royalties paid to you either through direct bank transfer or through intermediary, which is third party. The intermediary option is very popular for members who are non-residents of United States of America. As long as you are not a resident of United States of America, you must use a third party, which is known as intermediary. Now, we'll be using Pioneer. So we'll be using Pioneer, or some people call it Payoneer. Now, it's a preferred bank choice among many foreign authors who are not United States resident. So I'll be telling you in the next video how to create a Payoneer account. How to promote your ebook. Facebook ads is the number 1 way to promote your ebook. Now remember that Facebook is the owner of Facebook is still the owner of Instagram. So as long as you create your Facebook ad, you'll be able to create your Instagram ad. So you use Facebook ads to promote your ebook. How do you do that? Now you copy the link of your book on Amazon and then use that link to create a Facebook ad where people will have access to it. Now, to learn how to create a Facebook ad, search on my channel, Endemic Marketing Digital on YouTube. I explain vividly how to run a Facebook ad, how to create a Facebook manager, and so on. Number 2 is Google AdWords. Yes, Google Ads. You need to learn how to run Google Ads. Now, social media, post your book links on your bios. Yes, on your biographies, on your social media platform, Facebook, about yourself section. Write about a little about your book and put a link there. Also in your Instagram, in your YouTube channel, and so on. In your social media, use your social media very well to market your book. So let people know you are an author. Let people know you write. Let people know you're a creative writer. Let them know what you do. Now, the fourth way is asking friends and family who have large followings to post about your book. Yes, you can ask your friends that have a lot of followers. Let's say you don't have a lot of followers. Ask them to post about your book in their bios, or to talk about your book in their profile. Number 5 is using email campaigns. Now, the secret about email campaign is you need to create a simple landing page. Let's say your book is 50 pages. You can decide to cut 10 interesting pages out of the 50 page. Then give it for free. Then collect their email, and then you'll be marketing your book to them. That's how email campaigns work. And if you want to learn how to create landing page and email campaigns, don't forget to watch my channels on how to do that. And don't forget, if you're watching, subscribe to that channel, because I'll be putting a lot of content there. So thank you. Watch the part 4 of this video, where I'll be going practical on how to create your KDP account, how to create your Kindle Create, how to download your Kindle Create app, and how to format your book. And I'll also be talking about how to open a Payoneer account, or Pioneer account as some people call it, and link it to your Amazon account, so that you'll be able to receive payment. Without opening a Payoneer or Pioneer account, you'll not be able to receive payment. Why? Because you are not a US citizen. Thank you.